Today we're making Persian cutlet, golden and crispy on the outside, tender and flavorful on the inside. Let's start by cooking 3 medium potatoes until the outside is fork tender, while the centers stay just a little firm. This way they'll grate nicely and hold their texture in the cutlet. Grate a large onion, and if it releases too much juice, gently squeeze out the excess liquid so it doesn't water down your mixture. Check the potatoes by poking them with a knife. If there is a slight resistance, they are ready. Take the potatoes out of the water, let them cool down slightly, then cut into smaller pieces so you can grate them easier. The potato cores look a bit different in color. That means they're not cooked all the way to core. This is the perfect condition for making cutlet. Use a cheese grater to grate the potato pieces into fine shreds. Now it is time to bring everything together. Add all the ingredients into a mixing container and gently mix with your hands, just until everything is well combined. Let the mixture rest in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. To shape the cutlet, lightly wet your hands. Take a small portion of the mixture, roll it into a ball between your palms, then coat it with breadcrumbs. Gently press it into its final shape and place it on a baking sheet. Heat up 2 tablespoons of avocado oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the cutlets in the skillet in a single layer. When the first side of cutlets turns golden and crisp, gently flip them over and cook the other side until it's just as golden and crunchy. Place the golden and crunchy cutlets on paper towels to soak up the extra oil and keep them crispy. Repeat the process until all the mixture is cooked into golden, crispy cutlets. Serve the cutlets alongside crispy golden French fries for a perfect pairing. Your meal is ready. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.